Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to report a problem on TikTok if you are facing issues, and also how to contact TikTok support chat for extra help. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have downloaded the TikTok app from the App Store or Google Play and log into your account. Now open TikTok and tap your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down and tap Report a Problem. Here you will see different categories like account issues, video uploads, live and more. And you can choose the category that matches your issue. And if you want to grow your account but face problems, you can select account and profile, then choose the issue that best fits your situation. If none of the options match, scroll down and tap Other. Inside the report page, you will see Solution TikTok Suggest. If it doesn't help, scroll down and tap Still Have a Problem and click on Yes button. And finally, if you need direct help, TikTok has also provided support chat option. To access it, go back to Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Support, tap the Chat with Support. Here you can direct message TikTok support team and explain your issue. Or you can direct tap on Need More Help. And that's it. Now you know how to report a problem and also use the TikTok support chat for more help. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.